I was recently watching Weather Channel coverage of Hurricane Lee, which at the time was headed straight for us. And when they showed some footage from one of the National Weather Service airplanes flying through this gigantic storm, I thought to myself, that's a lot like trying to eat healthy for diabetes during the holidays. Those storm flyers were surrounded by darkness, tossed to and fro, unable to see what's coming next, and would have been completely lost and helpless except for the trusted flight instruments that guided them. There's no way they could pay attention to their job without those guidance instruments. Today, I'm going to try and be your guidance instruments as you get ready to fly into the storm of holiday eating. Stay with me here as I explain. If you've watched any of my videos, visited my diabeteseveryday.com website, or read any of my media interviews, you will know that I was diagnosed with diabetes over 5 decades. I know, that's a long, long time ago. My point is that I'm very passionate about helping others manage their diabetes. Okay, hear me out on this. We don't need to feel deprived during the holidays regarding food choices. We don't need to throw our diabetes management out in the trash during the holidays by thinking, so what, it's just the holidays. Or, I only eat this way on the holidays. Well, how many holidays or other celebratory events are there in a year? It adds up to a lot. So, here is my one tip I promised. There are tons of recipes that have been or can be modified so you can enjoy your favorite holiday dishes. If I know that a dish is very high in carbs or super high in fat and calories, I'll do a search online for a modified recipe. But hey, you can also come here to my YouTube channel to find diabetes-friendly recipe favorites. If I can't find a good alternative recipe, I'll play around in the kitchen with tweaking my own recipe. Here's an example of some recipes that you can use. Sweet potato peanut stew, loaded potatoes without the carbs or the potatoes, apple and walnut salad, roasted Brussels sprouts, pumpkin pie cheesecake squares, baked acorn squash, creamed spinach, diabetes-friendly pumpkin pie, or low-carb peanut butter cookies. Okay, you get my point. There are many recipes on my YouTube channel alone, and all of my recipes will have the nutrition breakdown so you can see how to fit it into your meal plan. If you sign up for my newsletter, you will receive a low-carb snack handout and be able to see these recipe recommendation links in the next newsletter. Until next time, cheers to your health.